Hi everybody, and welcome to your WebExpress back office demonstration. To access the WebExpress back office, let's visit login.i2webexpress.com. This is where you will enter your login email address and password. Then click Sign In. You should now be logged into your back office. This is where you can set everything up. When you first log into your WebExpress account, be sure to do the following. First, click on Presenter Client and then on Download Default Installer. Downloading the Presenter software will only take a few moments to run. You will automatically be prompted to download DF Mirage, which we also highly recommend. It will make your shared images nice and crisp. Please note that if you are a Mac user, you can also use a Java sharing application and won't have to use this Windows Presenter Client software. Now let's go to My Meetings. Here you can update the time zone by clicking the drop-down menu, selecting your time zone, and then clicking Change. Let's go ahead and set up a webinar. Click on Add a Meeting. This will bring you to a screen that will allow you to enter in your meeting preferences. We will call this webinar WebExpress Training Demo. Let's go ahead and schedule it for August 20th at 10 a.m. Pacific. There are three options for participants to log in. It can be as simple as entering their name, entering name and password of your choice, or using a registration form. If you're recording your webinar, select Use Teleconference Number Assigned to Me. Click Submit, and voila! Our webinar is now in our meetings queue. To customize the registration form, click the webinar title and then Customize Registration. Here you can choose if you would like to have an auto reply. Next, you can select an additional reminder email to go out to all registrants 1 hour, 4 hours, or 24 hours before the webinar. The message in the reminder can be customized here. Below that is where you can customize the information you would like to capture. You can click and make each option a required field, or even create your own field by choosing Custom from the drop-down list. Now you can label it in your own words and choose to make it multiple choice or open space answer. Now let's go back to the webinar setup page by clicking on the Meetings tab. Let's go ahead and invite our participants to the meeting. Click on the yellow envelope and copy the information that will appear in the message area. Click on Open My Email, which will open your default email account, or copy and paste this information into an outgoing email. Send this invitation to the participants you would like to join your web conference. As you can see here, the invitation information for your participants remains the same unless you choose to change it. When it is time to start your webinar, simply click Start Meeting near the Invite tab. Your browser will automatically open the web meeting. WebExpress also provides a separate queue for your web recordings. It is under My Meetings as well. You can now provide a playback link that is accessible 24/7 online. Just click the yellow envelope near the recording and the link will be provided. In the same submenu, you will find the Meeting Viewer tab. This is where you can upload your company's logo and landing page image to reflect your company's themes and colors. This is where you can also set up whether attendees will be able to see the attendee list within the webinar and whether they will be able to send instant messages to any other attendee or only to the moderator. The exit page is the website your audience will automatically be directed to when you end the webinar. This can be your website, a shopping cart, survey page, or basically any website. If no website is pasted in here, the attendees will automatically be taken to a default page thanking them for participating. If you click on the My Library tab, you will see the files that are currently in your library. To add a PowerPoint presentation, video, audio, or image, just click the Add tab and upload your file. Under My Library, you will also have the Polling tab. This is where you can set up your polling questions in advance. Simply click Add a Question and type it in the box. Next, you can add possible responses from multiple choices or hit the short answer option to allow personal entries. Under the My Account tab, you will be able to update the profile information available via the webinar to your participants by clicking on the notepad icon, adjusting your information, and clicking to save the data. You can also change your account password anytime by clicking here. We hope to be of further assistance and enhance your enjoyment and benefit of WebExpress. Please feel free to contact our office at 800-600-7285 with any questions. That concludes our WebExpress back office tutorial. Thank you and have a great day.